I was very positively surprised when I joined Eaton. I was expecting openness to a certain level, however, it was still a very big positive surprise when I first came to the office. My future team leader was waiting for me with a very big smile on her face, and then I just noticed her very vibrant purple hair as well, and I immediately felt at ease. Everyone is really open and friendly in this office, so it was really easy to fit in, and they allow you to be yourself.
For me, Eaton is my first step in the corporate world, and what all myths I had and heard about working at a workplace in corporate was not true. Eaton was beyond my expectations.
For me as a manager, every day is different and is full of challenges. But this is something which makes our daily routine super exciting.
One of the truly remarkable aspects of my experience at Eaton is the chance to immerse myself in a diverse array of cultures from all around the world. This is an opportunity that I wouldn't have encountered to such an extent back in my country of origin.
I think Eaton is one of the most supportive companies for the employees, always considering the personal life and supporting as much as possible. I developed a lot at Eaton. I joined Eaton in 2019 as a team leader for 6 people, and now I'm leading a cluster with 65 people, supporting 2 sales zones, 7 countries. I was aware that Eaton is supporting career development, but I was surprised after a couple of weeks how much.
I'm working for Eaton for 7 years, and in the last years I was able to grow from a team leader to be a senior manager.
The opinion is listened independently from the seniority level you are, and we all collaborate to make our processes better. And this creates a very dynamic environment of work. To build new skills and to grow in your career, we have several available training opportunities, from trainings on site, Eaton University, and a lot of pilot projects where people can put in practice their new knowledge, and you are not just acquiring a new job title, but really learning new capabilities.
I absolutely love how Eaton supports different communities such as LGBTQ+, or people with disabilities, and also stands next to very important initiatives, for example, by organizing or participating multiple charity events. As a female leader in the technical field, I find it very important that we are helping young women in this field to find their own path and to face challenges. It is really great to know that this approach is 100% in alignment with Eaton's approach as well, and they are actually providing us a lot of platform to reach out to these female engineers or female in the technical field and help them through everything they might face in their future.
I like that employees get an opportunity to work on the different global projects within the organization and IERG initiatives, which helps us to go beyond our daily work and work on these projects, which gives us exposure and also a broader view to look after the different areas which can interest us within the organization.
Other than the career opportunities, I was able to be part of other events, march on the Pride event with regional business leaders, represent the company on professional conferences, and look for talents in job fairs.
One of the key elements of our job is making connections, which turn into friendships. We celebrate together, we have birthday parties together, and we have great team building activities.
I can say that I have now friends around the world thanks to this company, and I actually can thank Eaton for one of my closest friends as well. When I moved to this city in 2017 and started to work for Eaton, I did not know anyone here, so it was really a refreshing feeling to have that people are so like-minded here and so open and friendly, so I started to feel really well at this place immediately.
Oh yes, and the dogs.
Bienvenidos a Eaton.
مرحبا بكم في Eaton.
Üdv az Eatonnél!
Welkom bij Eaton.
Seja bem-vindo a Eaton.
Dobrodošli u Eaton.
Herzlich willkommen bei Eaton.
Bienvenue chez Eaton.
Eaton में आपका स्वागत है.
Welcome to Eaton!